Hello, dear friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to drawing for kids. Today, we will embark on our exciting journey into the world of art, starting right from the beginning with basic shapes. Drawing is one of the most amazing and creative activities, and it's accessible to everyone, regardless of age. Together, we will explore basic shapes like circles, squares, triangles, and much more. You'll be surprised at how easy and fun it is to draw with their help. With circular shapes, we can draw the sun, a ball, an eye, and even the moon. Oh, how much fun it is to draw all these round objects. Square shapes will give us the opportunity to depict a house, a box, a book, and many other objects. Squares are so much fun! And of course, we have rectangular shapes which can be used to draw a door, a bookshelf, even a computer monitor or a car. What about triangles? They are perfect for creating the tops of trees, pyramids, arrows, and even mountains. Remember, my friends, that drawing is an amazing and creative activity, and with the help of these basic shapes, you can create all sorts of images. It's important to practice regularly, and we will guide you through each step of the way. By the way, have you already watched our video lesson on magical lines? I highly recommend checking it out. Say goodbye for now, and may your imagination soar to new heights.